According to crypto analytics portal Whale Stats, over $6.5 million worth of SHIB was sold by large Ethereum holders in the last 2 days. Despite the big sell-offs, the cryptocurrency's price was down only 6% against the dollar and 3.5% against Bitcoin in the period under review. Today we're going to talk all about what whales are doing with Shiba Inu Coin and what's going on with SHIB in this bloodbath.
Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments.
Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 14th of November, shall we? Shiba Inu price action is, at the time of writing, still down 21% against 34% at the lowest point this week. Cryptocurrencies saw bulls storming out of the gate in the U.S. trading session on Thursday as a lower inflation print sparked a buying wave in all asset classes except for safe havens. SHIB price action is enjoying a double whammy with a weaker dollar and the tailwinds from the rallying equities. SHIB price doubles down on dollar weakness. Shiba Inu price action has been hanging against the ropes for most of 2022 as the stronger dollar kept pressing and squeezing bulls out of their positions. Whales were keen to pick up SHIB at lower levels than 1,100 millionths of a dollar and look to book some gains as price action recovers. There are certainly gains to be booked, although traders must be aware of the forces hanging over SHIB's price. SHIB price has the 200-day simple moving average as its biggest threat from making more gains to the upside. Looking earlier on in the chart, traders will spot the double top in August, which got rejected 2 weeks from breaking to the upside. The fact that SHIB closed below the 200-day SMA after breaking through it 2 weeks ago and again last week means that it's a force to be reckoned with. Expect the current rejection to be overdone, but the 200-day SMA will not be passed that easily. Now let's get back to the topic. The 100th largest ETH whales still own 8 trillion SHIB, equivalent to $73.5 million at the moment, and representing 1.5% of the Shiba Inu token offering. Such numbers make SHIB the third largest asset in this investor group's portfolio after Ethereum of various forms and stablecoins. Overall, the mood around Shiba Inu can now be described as mixed, with the number of favorable and no factors roughly equal. On the one hand, SHIB outperformed Doge last week by almost 30%. Beat Solana in market capitalization, topped by CoinMarketCap, and finally indicated activity towards Shibarium, the long-awaited Layer 2 solution from Shiba Inu. On the other hand, the price of SHIB is falling and returning to the bottom, with large and medium-sized investors getting rid of positions worth millions of dollars, which puts additional pressure on quotations. Nevertheless, SHIB is still afloat, having managed to hold on during the previous most unpleasant 6 months of the bear market. Perhaps the most interesting thing for Shiba Inu is only starting. Another good news is that Shiba Inu has been revealed to be the second largest holding of users of Crypto.com. The crypto exchange, which is one of the leading trading venues for retail crypto investors, shared new details of its reserve that show that SHIB makes up 20% of users' funds held on the exchange. This put the value of SHIB held by the exchange at about $540 million of Crypto.com's over $2.7 billion worth of token holdings, according to the Nonsen dashboard the exchange put together. Bitcoin emerged as the biggest reserve asset of the exchange at 31.19%, while Ether came third, accounting for 16.97% of the exchange's reserve. In a tweet, Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek said that the exchange will disclose a more detailed audited breakdown of its reserve that will confirm the full one-to-one backing of customers' assets. Please expect a full audited proof of reserves from us in the next couple of weeks, confirming the full one-to-one reserve of all customer assets, he wrote. The disclosure is coming after the exchange promised users more transparency in the wake of FTX going bankrupt. Marszalek also assured users that Crypto.com's exposure to FTX was less than $10 million, a figure he considers to be very little compared to our global revenues surpassing $1 billion for 2 consecutive years. In a similar move, the largest exchange by trading volume, Binance, has also published its cold wallet addresses. Binance's CEO, Changpeng Zhao, has advised market participants on signs of trouble to watch out for at crypto firms. How high can SHIB climb with such strong investor confidence? The Crypto.com revelation of huge SHIB reserve holdings has not played out to be bullish for the Ethereum-based Dogecoin competitor. Per data from CoinMarketCap, the price of SHIB has fallen 3% in the last 24 hours to currently be trading at around 96 millionths of a dollar. This price is notably an about 89.1% drop from the all-time high price of 87 millionths of a dollar reached over a year ago in October 2021. Regardless, SHIB proponents have remained long-term confident of the potential of the token to surpass a price tag of $1 and even reach $5. This is because of the rapidly evolving Shiba Inu ecosystem that includes a highly anticipated metaverse in the works, growing adoption as an accepted method of payment, and token burns that are reducing the circulating supply of the token. Another good news is that SHIB is up 30% against Doge on the back of Shiba news. Shiba Inu has been significantly outperforming Dogecoin for the past 7 days, with SHIB up 30% against Doge. After the main crypto market's meme coin saw a rise of more than 120% in late October, the price of SHIB has also begun to rise, but less extensively than its competitor. The Shiba Inu token then rose 17.3% for the week, while Dogecoin closed the weekly candle in the positive by 95%. At the same time, against Doge, SHIB was down 39.83% according to Binance. The situation started to change on Wednesday, November 2nd. The chart below shows an obvious break in the trend, which could be considered a correction to the downtrend, but the SHIB price against Doge has already recovered by more than a third, which is also a signal of a shift. What's also interesting is that the recent collapse of the crypto market caused by the insolvency of major exchange FTX has further strengthened Shiba Inu's position against Dogecoin. When the price of Doge fell by 29.6%, the price of SHIB fell by only 18.7%. In doing so, SHIB managed to overtake Solana in terms of market capitalization, which seemed almost impossible a week ago. In the same period, new details about the long-awaited Layer 2 protocol, Shibarium, began to emerge, with direct reports from the developers involved. It has been said that Shibarium, which was originally supposed to be released later this year, is in alpha testing, while all of the attention of the Shiba Inu and Unification development team following the release of Shiba Eternity is focused directly on it.
That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!